I just finished hand painting this beautiful barn owl with glittery flowers. There's glitter in, this is fabric paint, so you'll be able to hand wash carefully. The other leg has glittery butterflies. They really sparkle in the sun. These jeans will definitely turn heads if you are out. Now these are skinny jeans. They are waist 28 Miss Me. These were very expensive jeans. I didn't wear them. I bought them for me thinking I could fit into them by losing weight, and I never did. So I thought, well, let's get some use out of them. Painted this guy. Glittery all on him. Get a full shot. That's what they look like. And they, like I said, they are new. And too bad that they didn't fit because I absolutely love these jeans. They've got those awesome pockets, really sparkly, thick. Pockets do open. Miss Me. Anyone's ever heard of those jeans? They're super cool. Alright, so if you are interested in these jeans, message me. They are $100. The jeans, without anything painted, I bought them for over $100. And because I bought them for me, tried them on, they don't have tags. Even though I painted on them, I'm still going to offer payment of $100, PayPal. So give me a message. Let me know if you're interested. All right, Magical Owl. Thank you for watching.